Hello children, I am Miss Jayashree here. Today we will revise Standard 6 Geography about the map, sketch, plan and globe. The difference between the map and the sketch. Again I am repeating children, we will read and revise the difference between the map and sketch. Listen. First, the map. It is drawn on scale. Sketch. It is not drawn as per scale. Map. It is a 2D representation of Earth's surface on a flat sheet of paper. Sketch. It is a rough drawing based on observation and memory. Map. Map. Here, conventional signs and symbols are used in the maps. In sketches, no symbols are used. In maps, it gives us information about the large area, but in sketch, it gives an idea of location. Again, I am repeating children the difference between the map and the sketch. You can note down also. Map. It is drawn on scale. Sketch. It is not drawn as per scale. Map. It is a 2D representation of Earth's surface on a flat sheet of paper. Sketch. It is a rough drawing based on observations and memory. Map. Conventional signs and symbols are used in maps. Sketch. No symbols are used. Map. It gives information about the large area. Sketch. It gives an idea of a location. Now we will discuss about the difference between the plan and the globe. This is already I explained you in the last session, but today I am revising you. Children, please note down plan and globe. The difference between the plan and globe. Plan. It is drawn on scale. Globe. It is not drawn as per scale. Plan. It is a detailed drawing of a small area. Globe. It is a 3D representation of Earth's surface. Plan. Here symbols are used. Globe. Here symbols are not used. Again I am repeating children. In plan, symbols are used. In the globe, symbols are used. Mostly the larger form it can be used. But just you remember that in the plan, it shows a comparatively smaller area than a map. But in globe, it cannot provide detailed information as it is smaller in size. Geographical buzz. The science of map making is known as cartography. The science of map making is known as cartography. Claudine Ptolemy, a Greek scholar, was the first person to compile a book of maps. Children, you please note down the science of map making is known as cartography. This may come under your give one word answer. Give one word answer for the following. The science of map making is known as cartography. Claudine Ptolemy, a Greek scholar, was the first person to compile a book of maps. Again, little I am revising you children about the directions. See all of you. This is the north. This is the south. This is the east. This is the west. And what is the intermediate direction between the north and the east? Northeast. What is the intermediate direction between the east and the south? Southeast. What is the intermediate direction between the south and the west? Southwest. And what is the intermediate direction between the west and the north? Northwest. Okay. So, we learnt about the 8 directions. These are otherwise known as the 8 cardinal points. The cardinal points. This is very much helpful to find out the directions on a map. Okay, thank you children.